Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom, and today be riding along with me as I drive south on US 89 in northern Arizona. But to all my first time visitors, I'd first of all like to say welcome. And if this video is something you find entertaining, I'd encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I'd also encourage everyone to leave a comment on this video because I'm honestly curious on what you thought about it. So this video begins on US 89 as we cross the Colorado River in Page, Arizona. From here, we'll continue traveling south on US 89 into the Navajo Nation on our way to Bitter Springs, but not first before crossing Antelope Pass, which has an amazing view of the Colorado River as it approaches the Grand Canyon just below the Vermilion Cliffs National Monument. This video is from the 5th day of my 10-day adventure to California and back, which will include video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from 14 states, including ones that we've already released like California, New Mexico, and Texas, but also upcoming states like Utah, Colorado, and Kansas. So please consider subscribing if you haven't already so you don't miss a thing. But for now, I'm going to keep driving south on beautiful US 89 in northern Arizona. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we will drive on US 89A north along the Vermilion Cliffs to Jacobs Lake. So make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching. And until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.